Bula, I'm Kelera and I work for Grants Department. So I'll be your guides today. I'd like to show you some plants that we around the resort. So this big tree here, we call it as a jacaranda. Okay? That's the only tree that shows us in Fiji when it's nearly Christmas time. Okay? The middle of October, November, December, you'll see the big tree will show us in red flowers. So we call it as a jacaranda. So that's why actually it's easy for us in Fiji to call it a Christmas tree, because it's the only tree that shows us in Fiji when it's Christmas time. There's another tree here, it's also a Fijian medicine, and we call it a CV tree. That's also pronounced in Fijian. Okay? This is the one, and what we do when the leaves drop down and the new leaves comes out. So those new leaves, we collect 8 or 10 of those leaves. Then we wash it properly, then we start chewing it. Keep on chewing it, you'll feel the juice in your mouth, swallow the juice and take the leaves out. That will fix your sore throat. So there's another plant here which is called kura. Okay, that's also pronounced in Fijian. And actually it's for diabetics and high blood pressure or all sickness you've got. We use this as a Fijian medicine. What we do, we collect all the seeds, even the ripe ones, a little bit ripe. You put it in a pot and you boil it for 20-25 minutes. And when it's done, then you leave it aside, leave it a bit cool. Then you have it before breakfast and before dinner. So it will fix all the high blood and diabetes. So this is the 4th Fijian medicine that I will explain it to you. Okay, it's for a woman medicine. Okay, like woman finished giving birth in the hospital, and then they came home and stay home maybe for 2 months time. Then we'll start collecting these plants, just the leaves and with the roots. Okay, we just stretch it up a little into small pieces and put it in the basin. Little bit of cold water and hot water. Then we mix it together. Then you strain it nicely, and you have it before lunch, before dinner. Okay, that will fix a mother of coming back to the hospital for giving birth. If you want to join me in the garden tour, there's a garden tour every Monday and Thursday at 10:30. If you're interested of attending the garden tour, you're most welcome to the activities office, and let's meet there before 10:30. Vinaka.